Yeah, I'm just like chilling here, and I got up from somewhere over there. Went through the forest a bit, came right over here, and there's a really good view. You know, really distance, and the water, it feels alright. It's like cold, but I'm sure you'll get used to it once you're in. I'm not getting in though. What is this? Oh, it's like a maybe a wet sponge. What is this? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wash my hands after this. Ew, ew. It's pretty green. It's a big lake. Is it grass nearby? Get up. Let's see. Whoa. Ew, it feels so muddy. Ew. Oh my gosh. I'm over here. Oh, there's the tire. Hope I don't fall. Go. There's the boat. Yeah. What do we got here? There's grass. Got a big rock to throw. Let's see. Ooh. A feather. It's cool. Get this rock. It's a good rock. Nice. Oh, almost flipped. What else? Oh, look. It's a big rock. Ew. It's gross. Ugh. It's over here. Nice. Ugh. What is this? Yeah. That was just like you throw. Ooh. Good rock. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Another rock. Anything in there? Pretty dirty rock. Nice. Oh, my hands are dirty. Oh. Little critter right there. Oh. Whoa. Huh. Ooh. What's in here? Pretty dark. What is this? Huh. Oh well. Ooh, it's still muddy. Well, I don't know what to. Ooh, no, I don't know what to talk about else. Gonna keep roaming around. I'm camping. I don't know where. I forgot the name of it. Oh, let me take this off. Hello. That sounds better. I don't even put my hood on. Yes, I'm wearing a hoodie. A day like this. Ow. Ugh. Man, that looks so suspicious. Ow. Ooh. It's like a trail. Oh, it's not. Whoa. What is that? Oh. Nice little pillar. Over here. Da, 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 da. Ooh, a bird. Huh. Okay. It's a big boulder. Pick it over. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. Ugh. Huh. Cool. What is this? Looks all muddy. It's gross. Ooh. Oh, my feet get muddy. Pretty nice fishing spot, huh? Yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's bright sun. Oh my god. Ironically, I'm outside, huh? Is this grass? Oh my gosh. What a discovery. I hope that's not poison ivy. Nah, it's fine. I really hope it's fine. Ooh. Oh, my grass. Huh. Ooh. Can I go? Let's go down here. I really hope I... Ooh, can I come back up? I mean... It looks like... Nah. I want to see what's over there. We can go up here. I hope we can. I think I went... Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the spot. There's like thorns up here, I'm pretty sure. Ugh. Oh. Huh. It's pretty muddy. Ah. That's not good. Oh, man. Oh, I don't want to go through here twice. This looks so unstable. Oh, that's broken. This looks like it has good roots. Man, I'm getting my hoodie so dirty. But where do I... Oh, it's... Oh, man. Yeah. I just need something to hang on to. I don't even care. I do care about my spikes. Man, that could snap any second now. Oh. Oh my. There we go. Oh. Huh. That's nice. Get here. What did you do? Well, hope that was worth it. And here are these spikies. I do not like spikies. Spikies hurt. Now I gotta go through this twice. It's amazing, huh? Yeah. Owie. Fight through the pain. Fight through the pain. I can probably step on that though. Owie, 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 owie. Stop poking me. My dad. Oh God. Let me cover up. Fight through the pain. Fight through the pain. Let me just go over here. Hopefully it won't go into my eyes. There we go. That was fun, huh? Well, I'm gonna go back to the trailer. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Me suffering and all. Yeah. Bye.